I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your Genesis G70. This advanced system is designed to help you achieve optimal acceleration from a complete stop, minimizing wheel spin for a powerful and controlled takeoff. Before engaging, always ensure your engine is sufficiently warmed, all seat belts are fastened, and all doors, the hood and trunk are securely closed for safety. To prepare your G70, first select either Sport or Sport Plus Drive mode using the console knob. Next, you must disable the electronic stability control system. Press and hold the ESC-OFF button for more than 3 seconds until the indicator illuminates. Finally, ensure your vehicle is at a complete stop with the steering wheel straight and shift the transmission into the drive position. With your left foot, firmly depress the brake pedal. Simultaneously, use your right foot to fully depress the accelerator pedal. The engine RPMs will stabilize around 2,000 to 2,200 revolutions per minute. Watch for the Launch Control Ready message to appear on your instrument cluster, confirming the system is armed and prepared for action. Once Launch Control Ready is displayed, quickly and smoothly release your left foot from the brake pedal, keeping your right foot firmly on the accelerator. The vehicle will launch with optimized power. After a launch, the system requires approximately 3 minutes to cool down before it can be reactivated. Remember, launch control is intended for closed track use, not public roads, and avoid using it during the vehicle's break-in period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.